hope that your class has left behind?
Well, I think throughout the years we've definitely worked on having a good relationship on and off the field, so I hope that the classes coming out can do that too.
And Kylie, I want to follow up with you. What did it feel like around the school as you came back as state champions, and what kind of reaction did you get from your teachers and your classmates?
It felt really great. Everyone was congratulating us all day long, and they were really happy.
Kara Hunt is the third captain. Tell me about some of the games you played early in the season to get you ready for the playoffs. You played some bigger schools, didn't you?
Oh, yes. Coach Strange did a really good job scheduling us against some bigger 6A and 5A schools. That way we could just go into the season not having a bunch of blowout wins and kind of like just give us some more competition. And it was just really good in his part and kind of expose some of our weaknesses so that way we knew what to fix.
Kara, what do you think the toughest game was that you had this season?
Probably against Martin was the hardest game. They were really good and had some really fast girls and a different level of play.
Abby Olmos is a senior on this team. She scored the first 3 goals in the championship game and was the tournament MVP. So what's it feel like to play that well in what was maybe the biggest game of your life?
It was really exciting, and it wasn't expected at all. And I was happy to help out my team, and I couldn't have done it without them.
We're going to go back to Coach for one final question. Last year you coached both the girls and the boys teams in somewhat of an emergency situation. Was it refreshing to be able to dedicate all your time to the girls this year? Do you think it helped your coaching?
Yeah, well, I mean, I was sad to lose the boys, but you know, we're happy for the girls, and yeah, it was a lot nicer to have a little extra time on our hands to study film, talk to the players, just have that little extra time that we needed for this year.
They are the Kennedale Lady Cats, state champions in Class 4A for the 2nd year in a row. Thanks for coming in.
Thanks for having us.